Welcome students. Today I am going to explain about Civics 5th lesson, Road Safety Rules and Regulations. Learning objectives: understand the importance of road and safety, analyze the causes for the road accidents, recognize the safety measures to be followed while driving. Road safety. Our entire civilization has been based upon some of our extraordinary infrastructures which give us speed and connectivity. The roads are one of the most crucial inventions of man. In today's world, transport has become an integral part of every human being. Roads minimize the distance, but on the other hand, road accidents injures lakhs of people and results in loss of lives. Road safety is primarily meant about to protect and provide security of all those who travel on roads. Importance of road safety. Every day, the newspapers report of accidents of road and frequently, road accidents are undesired events that lead to injury or death. These deaths and injuries result in significant social and economic cost. The problem does not lie with roads, it is our carelessness that results in such misfortune. The loss of life results in the loss of livelihood. Safety measures. Always keep to the left. While driving, keep to the left and allow vehicles to pass from the opposite direction. Slow down on the bends and turn. A very important thing to keep in mind is to become caution and slow down on the bends. Use helmets. Make it a habit of strapping the helmet before mounting the black bikes. Never exceed the speed limit. The speed limit is related to the traffic conditions of the area. So maintain speed limit. Maintain the right distance. Collisions occur because we do not maintain adequate distance from the vehicle in the front. So maintain a safe distance from the bigger vehicles. Keep out of their blind spot, an area not seen through the rear view and wing mirror. Park the vehicles only along the designated parking bays. Follow the road signs. Road signs are mostly pictorial, so it is not hard to comprehend. Some other safety tips are: never ever drive when drunk. Never use cell phone while driving. Avoid listening to loud music. Check your mirrors before changing lanes. Always wear seat belt. Always remain calm while driving, and never yell or shout at pedestrian or other drivers. For pedestrians, cross only at zebra crossing. The 2 minutes time that you waste for the signals are worth your life. Never cross on red or yellow light. Take a sidewalk and avoid walking on the roads. Common causes of road accident: overspeeding, drunk driving, using mobile phone while driving, irresponsible driving, ignoring safety precautions, not wearing of helmets and seat belts, poor road infrastructure and congested city roads. Overspeeding. The higher the speed, greater the risk. Most of the fatal accidents occur due to overspeeding. Increase in speed multiples the risk of accident and severity of injury during an accident. Drunken driving. Consumption of alcohol reduces concentration. It impairs vision due to dizziness, and driving under the influence of alcohol causes accident. Distraction to drivers. Distraction could be outside or inside the vehicle. The major distraction nowadays is talking on mobile phones while driving. The act of talking on phone occupies the major portions of the brain's function, and the smaller part handles the driving skills. Some other distractions are inattentive or lost in thought, adjusting mirrors while driving, stereo in vehicle, animals on roads, banners and billboards, etc. Red light jumping. The main motive behind red light jumping is saving time. Studies have shown that traffic signals followed properly by all drivers save time and commuters reach destination safely on time. Avoid safety gears. Use of seat belt in four-wheelers and helmets for two-wheelers have been brought under law. These two things reduce the severity of injury during accidents. Other different factors drivers, overspeeding, rash driving, violation of rules, failure to understand signs, fatigue, and consumption of alcohol. Pedestrian, carelessness, illiteracy, crossing at wrong places, moving on roads, and jaywalkers. Passengers, projecting their body outside the vehicle by talking to drivers, traveling on footboats, catching a running bus, etc. Vehicles, failure of brakes or steering, tire burst, insufficient headlights, overloading and projecting loads, road condition, damaged road merging of rural road with highways, diversion and illegal speed breakers, weather condition, fog, snow, heavy rainfall, wind, storms and hailstorms. Road safety slogans. Don't drink and drive. Better be Mr. Late than to be late, Mr. Are you tired? Take a break. Keep your child safe. Teach him road safety. Think, anticipate, and avoid accidents. Kill your speech, not a child. Give a way to pedestrians. Country people die on country roads. Your kids need experience, not excuse. Road safety slogans. You can't get home unless you are safe. Alert today, alive tomorrow. Leave sooner, drive slower, live longer. Night doubles, traffic doubles. Stop accidents before they stop you. Better to arrive late than never. Speed thrills but kills. You can't get home unless you are safe. Alert today, alive tomorrow. Leave sooner, drive slower, live longer. Night doubles, traffic doubles. Life short, don't rush it. It's better late than never. Chance takers or accident makers. If you want to stay married, divorce, speed, be alert, accidents hurt. Hug your kids at home, but build them in the car. Normal speed, meet ever need. Safety first because accident last. Safety, expect the unexpected. Chance takers or accident makers. Safety first because accident last. The 108 Emergency Response Service. It is a free emergency service providing integrated medical, ambulance, police, and fire services. If you find any victims on road, don't panic. Call 108 for help and 103 for traffic accidents. Preventing road accidents. Most important method to bring down accidents is strict enforcement of speed limits. 90% of accidents can be avoided by strict enforcement of speed limits. Those who cross speed limits, if this is strictly implemented, nobody will dare to go at high speed. Existing speed limits should be brought down further. Heavy penalty should be imposed for those who cause accidents. Two-wheeler manufacturers should be asked to design two-wheelers with a design maximum possible speed of 50 or 60 km. This limit may be decided based on the conditions of each country. Lower age limit for two-wheeler and heavy vehicle license should be raised to 21. Helmet should be made compulsory by law in all countries. Ensure that all helmet users are fixing the chin strap of helmet, otherwise it will not help during an accident. Ensure that only good quality helmets that meet standard specifications are available in the market. Existing traffic rules should be strictly enforced. Video and computer games that stimulate motor racing should be banned by government. Racing over speed or highly risky driving by heroes should not be filmed in cinemas and TV serials. Children are likely to imitate the same. Statutory warning will no help. Government should censor such sins. Refreshment barless should be made available at every 50 or 100 kilometers on all highways and important roads. Truck heavy vehicle drivers should be forced to refresh by having a face wash or by having a cup of tea or coffee. Advertisement boards and other items that may obstruct visibility at junctions. Ensure that the money recovered as road tax is fully utilized for the construction and maintenance of roads. Newspaper, television, and other media should be effectively used for public safety awareness. Major accidents and accident prone areas should be analyzed scientifically. More stringent traffic rules should be enacted. License of those who are involved in accidents should be suspended immediately, at least until they prove that they are not guilty. License of those who make serious accidents should be cancelled immediately. Health of vehicles should be strictly enforced. Eyes of old age driving license holders should be checked at regular intervals. One-way traffic should be implemented in all roads as far as possible. Roads should be widened wherever required. Zebra crossing should be provided for pedestrians for safe road crossing at appropriate places. Signals for road crossing should be provided at important and busy places. Visibility should be increased near curvatures. Sometimes even cutting off grass to increase visibility can help save many lives. School buses should be painted with bright yellow color. Road safety be mandatory topic for school projects for all classes every year. Automobile and cycle manufacturers should be asked to stop producing black and dark vehicles. Reflection should be fixed on front and back of trucks and lorries. Attention distracting banners, posters, advertisements, etc. should be banned near roads and highways. Anti-drowsy warning gadgets should be made mandatory during night travel. Street dogs should be eliminated completely. Video cameras should be installed at regular intervals on highways by police and should be centrally monitored. Broken white line. Basic marking on roads. You may change lanes or allowed to overtake a vehicle or take U-turn if it is safe to do so. Solid white line seen on the road areas of strategic importance. This implies that you are not allowed to overtake and you to stay within the lane. Single solid yellow lines used in areas where visibility is low. It implies that you can overtake and should drive on your side. Double solid yellow lines used on dangerous roads or for two-way traffic. It strictly prohibits anybody from crossing over into the lane. You can overtake inside your own lane. Stop line. This is marked before the pedestrian crossing and sets the red line where car should stop before traffic signal. Solid and broken lines. If you are driving on the side with the broken line, you are allowed to overtake, and if you are driving on the side of the solid line, you are not.